Okay, we have one of these LED lights and it's burned out, so we're going to change it out today. All you have to do is pull these down, grab it on the side, and you pull it down away from the ceiling like this. And then it has spring-loaded clips. If you push them together and take them out of the clip holder that's in the can, then the LED comes right out. And all you have to do is unplug it, and you have the lamp assembly out of the fixture. Here's the lamp assembly we're using to replace the one that's in the attic now. This is the same brand from American Lighting. You have the lumens output, which is 1,000 lumens, which is pretty bright. It's a 15 watt LED. It's a 3000K color, which is more on the yellow spectrum and not the bluish white spectrum. And the light we're replacing does have a dimmer on it, so it needs to be dimmable. It says it's good for 50,000 hours, which I never believe. The light I'm replacing is only 1 year old and it's already failed. A lot of these LED lights just don't have the longevity that they tell you. If you don't know what light you have, you pull it out and look at the back here. You can see on the back there's all the manufacturer data and model numbers. It says American Lighting AD56V2-30-WH. So just Google the information you find there and you can find a replacement light. One thing to also look for, if these are outside, they want to be okay for wet locations. This one says right here, suitable for wet locations. The other thing you want to look for on the light is this top line right here says suitable for type IC. The IC stands for insulation contact, so this light is suitable for insulation to be contacting it and it will not be a fire hazard. It simply has these spring clips. There's two of them, one on each side. You're going to bend these clips together and then put it into a recess that is on the can itself. Inside the can, this is what it looks like. This is where the springs go. One spring's going to go to the right, the other spring to the left. There's another clip holder just like this one on the opposite side of the can. So those two holders are what's going to hold the fixture in place. If you have a regular light socket, you're able to use this screw base. We don't need it, so we're just going to remove it. And we're going to go back with this universal plug. You'll also find some of these cans, there's a rubber washer right here. You can use it if you want or not. It helps seal around the ceiling. I like using them. So first thing we're going to do is plug it back in. It only plugs in one way, so you can't mess it up. Now we're going to take these two clips and we're going to bend them together like this. And it's connected into the clip that I showed you. Same thing on this side, bend the clips in. And those clips are now holding it in place. So all we do now is just push it straight up and the springs hold it up against the ceiling. So pretty easy replacement. All right, let's put the light switch on and see if it works. This one is dimmable. The dimmer is working also. All right, pretty easy to do.